Welcome to Sensei Crypto, where we make the complex world of cryptocurrency simple and accessible. Today's video is Blockchain Demystified, how it works and why it's revolutionary. If you're curious about blockchain technology and its impact, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more enlightening crypto content. First, let's understand what blockchain is. Blockchain is a digital ledger technology that records transactions across multiple computers. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity controls the data, making it secure and transparent. Blockchain technology is not just revolutionary, it's a paradigm shift in how we handle digital information. Beyond its role in powering cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which as of 2023 has a market cap of over $600 billion, or Ethereum, with its diverse applications through smart contracts, blockchain's versatility spans across various sectors. It's reshaping industries like finance, healthcare, governance, and even supply chain management. In finance, blockchain introduces a decentralized ledger system, providing a more transparent and efficient way to process transactions. This technology is pivotal in the development of decentralized finance, DeFi, which, as of late 2023, has a total value locked in exceeding $100 billion. DeFi utilizes blockchain to create financial instruments without central financial intermediaries, offering services like loans, asset trading, and interest on deposits. Healthcare is another sector where blockchain is making significant strides. By securely storing patient records on a blockchain, healthcare providers can ensure data integrity and easy accessibility while maintaining patient privacy. In 2023, numerous healthcare institutions are piloting blockchain projects for secure patient data management, streamlining processes, and reducing costs. In governance, blockchain can enhance transparency and accountability. For instance, Estonia has integrated blockchain technology into its e-governance system, securing citizens' data and enabling efficient public service delivery. This has positioned Estonia as a leader in digital governance, with over 99% of public services being available online 24/7. The security aspect of blockchain is one of its most appealing features. Each block in the chain encapsulates a set of transactions secured with a cryptographic hash. This hash not only secures the block, but also ensures its linkage to the previous block in the chain, creating a tamper-proof chronological chain of data. The decentralized storage of blockchain across a network of computers enhances its security. This distributed ledger technology, DLT, ensures that even if a part of the network is compromised, the overall integrity of the blockchain remains intact. As of 2023, the Bitcoin blockchain, for example, has never been hacked, testament to the robustness of its underlying technology. When a transaction occurs, it's broadcast to the blockchain network, comprised of thousands of nodes. These nodes, using consensus algorithms like proof of work, POW, or proof of stake, POS, validate the transactions. In Bitcoin's blockchain, this validation process, known as mining, involves solving complex cryptographic puzzles. Successful miners are rewarded with Bitcoin, a process that also introduces new coins into the system. As of 2023, the total number of Bitcoins in circulation is nearing its cap of 21 million, highlighting the deflationary nature of the cryptocurrency. Ethereum, on the other hand, uses a different consensus mechanism known as proof of stake, which, as part of its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, is set to significantly reduce the energy consumption of the network, addressing one of the major criticisms of blockchain technology. In summary, blockchain's revolutionary impact lies in its ability to provide a secure, transparent, and decentralized platform for data management and transactions across various sectors. Its immutable, chronological chain of data offers unparalleled security and trustworthiness, making it a valuable asset in the digital age. As we move into 2024 and beyond, the potential applications of blockchain continue to expand, promising transformative changes in numerous industries. Blockchain technology revolutionizes the way we perceive and handle data and financial transactions. Its decentralized nature eradicates the need for central authorities or intermediaries, such as banks, playing a pivotal role in enhancing transactional efficiency. This decentralization not only accelerates the transaction process, but also considerably cuts down costs. For instance, traditional bank transfers can incur significant fees, especially for international transactions. In contrast, blockchain-based transactions, depending on the network, can reduce these fees by a substantial margin, sometimes to just a fraction of a cent. Moreover, blockchain democratizes access to data and financial transactions. In a world where approximately 4.66 billion people have access to the internet, blockchain opens up possibilities for financial inclusion, especially in underbanked or unbanked regions. This technology provides a platform where anyone with internet access can participate in financial systems without the need for traditional banking infrastructure. Transparency is another hallmark of blockchain technology. While it ensures the confidentiality of personal data, the transactions on the blockchain are accessible to anyone on the network. This level of transparency is unprecedented in financial systems and is instrumental in building trust among users. For instance, in a public blockchain like Bitcoin, every transaction ever made can be traced and verified by anyone, which significantly reduces the likelihood of fraudulent activities and corruption. Real-world applications of blockchain are diverse and growing. In the financial sector, blockchain has shown immense potential in streamlining processes. Cross-border payments, traditionally slow and costly due to the involvement of multiple intermediaries, can be processed almost instantaneously at a lower cost with blockchain. For instance, Ripple, a blockchain-based payment solution, has partnered with over 300 financial institutions to provide faster and cheaper cross-border payment solutions. In supply chain management, blockchain introduces unparalleled transparency and traceability. From the production line to the end consumer, every step can be tracked on a blockchain. This system significantly reduces the chances of counterfeit products infiltrating the market. Major corporations like Walmart and Maersk have already started implementing blockchain to enhance their supply chain operations. The healthcare sector is also poised to benefit greatly from blockchain technology. It can securely store patient records, offering efficient and secure access to authorized personnel. This capability not only enhances patient privacy, but also improves the accuracy of medical records, reducing the risk of medical errors. Various healthcare providers are exploring blockchain to securely store and share medical data, with pilot projects showing promising results. Blockchain can revolutionize voting systems by creating a secure and transparent digital voting system. This system can significantly reduce the risk of fraud and ensure the integrity of electoral processes. Several countries and organizations are experimenting with blockchain-based voting to conduct tamper-proof elections. Addressing common misconceptions, blockchain is much more than just the technology behind cryptocurrencies. Its potential applications extend into various sectors, proving its versatility beyond digital currencies. Additionally, blockchain's anonymity feature is often misunderstood. While transactions on a blockchain can be traced back to their source, the level of anonymity depends on the blockchain's design and implementation. Some blockchains offer pseudonymity, where transactions are linked to addresses rather than personal identities. Blockchain technology, despite its potential, faces challenges that are being actively addressed. Scalability remains a significant hurdle, with leading blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum continuously evolving to handle more transactions efficiently. Energy consumption, particularly in networks that use proof of work, POW, consensus mechanisms, is another concern. The rise of alternative consensus mechanisms like proof of stake, POS, as adopted by Ethereum 2.0, aims to mitigate these environmental concerns. Regulatory uncertainties also pose challenges. The evolving nature of blockchain and cryptocurrencies has led to a varied regulatory response globally. Some countries embrace it, while others are cautious, creating a patchwork of regulations that stakeholders must navigate. In conclusion, blockchain technology is still evolving, but its potential to revolutionize various sectors is undeniable. Its impact on finance, supply chain management, healthcare, and governance demonstrates its capability to bring about significant improvements in efficiency, transparency, and security. As we move forward, the continued development and adoption of blockchain technology will likely unveil even more innovative applications and solutions, marking it as a cornerstone of digital transformation. In conclusion, blockchain technology is indeed revolutionary. It offers a secure, transparent, and decentralized way to store and manage data. Its potential applications are vast and can transform various industries. Thank you for watching Blockchain Demystified, how it works and why it's revolutionary. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of blockchain technology and its potential. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to Sensei Crypto for more crypto insights and explanations. We encourage you to join the discussion in the comments below. Share your thoughts or questions about blockchain, and let's continue to learn together. Stay tuned for more content where we break down complex crypto topics into easy-to-understand explanations, helping you navigate the fascinating world of cryptocurrency. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the exciting innovations in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Happy investing!